Hello everybody and a very happy new year to you all, and welcome back to the place where we make fun of the morons on the road. Here's a clip from Ludmil. Now he's stopping behind this Uber idiot in the Prius. The Prius Reeve taps him once, he taps him twice. It felt so nice he did it twice. And this next driver, what feels nice to him is just jumping the queue and going through the red light in his UPS van. That's because he is a UPS, an unprofessional simpleton. Well, this clip here from Jason S. This driver is just a plain everyday simple. And look, down the outside of the traffic queue, wrong side of the traffic island, and hooks a left. If that driver was any less intelligent, he'd chase a stick if you threw it. What a melt. Got this clip from Big Olive. Now they're sitting behind this learner driver who's obviously having some problems getting the car going. Now the light is green. Now obviously there's going to be a lot of impatient people behind. Not as impatient as the entitled BMW driver, just sails straight through the red light there. That driver's about as bright as a dark cave without a candle, that one. Got this next clip here from Morris B, and we're sitting behind this guy on the bike. Guy looks to the right, pulls out on the roundabout. Car comes from the right and takes him out. We need a steward's inquiry. Here we go. Now this guy on the bike, he did look to the right and then pulled out. And it was quite a while before that BMW come into view. Look, it looks like he's in the wrong lane. Changes his mind to leave at that exit at the last minute. And that's why he had to cut across in front of the bike. All the BMW had to do was brake a bit and go behind the bike. What do you lot reckon? Got this clip here from Ark Traveller, and he's just going around this blind bend here at night in the wet. Always want to be careful because you never know what's round there. And today is no exception. There's an Uber idiot in a Toyota Prius that just pulls straight out in front of you. I've forgotten more than that idiot's ever learnt who's driving that car. Got this clip here from Ludmil going through this junction, and if you look to the left you can see two Uber idiots tried to crash into the post office, couldn't even manage that, so ended up crashing into each other. Now all you midwives out there, when you put newborn babies into incubators, can you please make sure that those incubators have got good power supplies, because if they ain't, this is the end result a few years down the line. Dear oh dear. Got this clip here from Tam F, and you'll find him on X on @TamForrester. Now keeping a safe distance behind this car, because you always want to do that, indicates right and just turns into the Armco barrier. Why would you do that? What's wrong with you? This driver here, if he was any more inbred, he'd be in a sandwich. Unbelievable. Got this clip here from Carl B, and he's just about to turn right into this road there. You've got to see this beige car waiting to pull out. Beige car pulls out, nearly takes out the silver car on the process. Driving techniques like that are the reason that people invented the middle finger sign. Got this next clip from Ryan MG, but I don't know where it is. I've got a feeling it's in America. And he's following the silver car. Silver car drifts to the right, moves back over to the left, overcompensates and spins it round, and now he's going in reverse. At this moment he's touching cloth, and I dare say it feels like the baby's head is actually showing in his pants. In fact, the only casualty there was the driver's underpants. Got this clip from Ludajar28. Hope I got your name right. Now keep your eye on that car on the left, the red one. The Uber idiot, he's got the green roundel in the window there. Now you can see there's a big gap behind, but the Uber idiot, he's got the intelligence of a paperclip, so he's not really going to be interested in moving into that gap there. Now this car here is following the bus round, because this lane takes you round into the North Circular. This is up by Staples Corner. Now just following the bus straight round. There's the red car, comes back into view. Now why did he stay out in the right lane? Because he wants to cut across to the left, of course. 2 million years of evolution, and some people haven't yet progressed from the pond life stage and knuckles dragging on the floor. Got this clip here from Russell C, and he's going around the roundabout, just passing this silver car. You can see the exit slip road coming up on the left. The Golf has just come up the exit slip road. Obviously gone down there. Instead of keep going, oh, I'll just do U-turn, get back on the roundabout. A camping glow stick has got a brighter future than what that idiot's got. Got this clip from Charlie B, and he's going up the motorway. Now keep your eye on that transit van in the middle lane there. See the white one? Just going along. Then all of a sudden he decides to go left at the last minute. Another one that came out feet first. Got this clip here from Brian M. Now keep your eye on the cyclist. He starts moving right without looking over his shoulder. Uber idiot don't notice nothing, nearly takes him out. Now it's parents' jobs to raise their kids right. Well, their parents obviously quit on the first day. Got this clip here from Mohib. Now keep your eye on this car with the headlights on. Goes to do the right turn, mounts the curb and takes out that signpost. And now that signpost is just like that driver, in need of professional help and totally useless to the community. You lucky lot. Normally you have to go to a circus and pay to watch clowns. Here you can watch loads of them for absolutely free. Bit like this idiot here. And the car ain't even strapped on. Dear oh dear. Anyway, let's have a look at some idiots on bikes. Got this clip here from Andrew B, and we're following this little red car through this traffic light. You can see the traffic light is green, so he ain't broken no rules there. Keep your eye to the right. Here comes the retard on two wheels, straight into the side of the car for no apparent reason there. And now he goes to explain to the driver, and he says, look, pal, he says, I'm not saying I'm low IQ, but if I had any less IQ, I'd raise my leg against a tree when I urinate. Got this clip from Badco, and he's approaching this roundabout here, and he's on a motorbike here. Nice and clear, so you can go. But no, he can't go because there's a retard on two wheels who don't know that you're meant to give way to the right. I think it's fair to say that his rocking all stopped rocking a long time ago. Got this clip from Edis, and you find him on @Edis1975 and X. Watch what this retard does here. Straight out into the road, into the side of a car. Didn't even see the car. How'd you do that? Similar to that last idiot. He's got the brains of a rocking horse. Never mind about his rocking horse stopped rocking. So here I'm sitting at this red light, and first of all, what go through the red light is the virtue signalling diversity box on wheels, followed by the two retards on two wheels, the Just Eat riders. The lot of them, all their intellectual watches need winding right up. Their springs are very slack indeed. Got another little clip here from Badco, and he's just going up this road, about to turn left into it, turns left, but the idiot on the bike just doesn't stop. And if you notice, he raises his hand, and that's the international sign to say I'm absolutely brainless, and I ride without a saddle, I just ride with the seat post. And that goes where you can imagine. Got this next clip from Edis, and you'll find him on @Edis1975 on X. Got two idiots here. First is this one stopping on the zigzag. Second is the Deliveroo rider riding on the pavement too fast. A pair of them morons are shivers looking for a spine to run up. Got this next clip from Musa, and he's at the red light just waiting for it to turn green so you can go. But you can't go when there's an idiot on the line bike with the mental ability of a sea urchin going across your path. Got these next two clips from Danny. You'll find him on X on @SkywayTough2s, and we're looking at a level crossing. You know what's going to happen. The barriers are coming down, but that means nothing for these two lovebirds, and they meet in the middle. Now the one in the shorts looks like he's trying to dry hump the other one. All that space, and the idiots still couldn't avoid each other. Here's the other clip from Dan, and it's definitely this week's Darwin Award nominee. Now, as you can see, he's pushing his bike. It's obviously too far complex to operate the pedals. Now, as you can see, he's stopped on the level crossing. Why has he stopped on the level crossing? Because there's a train coming. He wants to admire it. He's definitely missing some bait off his hook, isn't he? What a melt. Got this other clip here from Musa. Lights have just turned green so he can go. But he can't go because there's a retard going in front of him, and all the other cars that are going through their green light. Had the eye of his jacket on, looking like he's safety conscious, but he's riding like he's mentally unconscious. Well, this next rider you're about to see, he is definitely mentally unconscious. Here I am, going up Regent Street, going through these green lights, following this other cab here. Watch what comes from the left. Look, the Deliveroo rider. Don't worry about them red lights. Just go in front of that silver taxi there, on his way to deliver food, just like the stalk delivered him to his mother. Now, I can guarantee that now his mother sees what he's like, she wished she'd kept the stalk and threw him away. Definitely missing a ring pull off his can of beer, isn't he? Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you did, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It really does help me. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you have a fantastic 2025. First of all, I want to say a very special thank you to all the guys who send in clips, all the regulars. Musa, Seth, Paul, Badco, Ivor, Ed, Ludmil, everyone else. If I've missed anyone out, I'm really sorry, but I really appreciate you guys. What we're looking at here is a lovely old Datsun 240s here, proper classic from the 70s. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then go and Google it or something. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye.